Today I'm going to teach you how to create board button automation in Trello. Board buttons can make common tasks faster by adding a button to your board that automatically performs actions when you click it. For example, it could be things like moving all the cards in a list or sorting all the cards in a list. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your own custom board button set up and ready to automate your project management process. First, you need to open the board where you want to create your automation and look for the board menu on the right side of your screen. Click on Automation in the board menu to open the command window. This is your control center for all automation features in Trello. Next, you'll see several automation options available. Look for the Board Buttons section and click on it. This opens the board button management area where you can create and manage all your board level automation buttons. You'll see the option to create new buttons here. Now click the Create button option to start building your custom automation. In this example, let's turn moving all the cards from one list into another into a single click. The first step is to pick an icon and give it a title. Let's add a little magic to our lives with the wand icon and title it Move. Then we'll select our actions. Click the Add Action button and you'll see a drop-down menu appear with different action categories. We want to move all the cards in the list in progress to the list needs approval. So from the drop-down, select Move all cards in list, then choose your in progress list and select where you want them moved to, which is your needs approval list. After you've set up your action, click the Save button to save your new board button. Your custom automation will now appear as a button at the top of your board, ready to be used by anyone with board access. Now let's say you finished everything in your in-progress list and it's all ready for approval. You just click the Move button and there they go. All the cards automatically move from in progress to needs approval with a single click. This is incredibly powerful because what used to require dragging each card individually now happens instantly with one button press. You can create multiple board buttons for different workflow stages, making your entire project management process much more efficient. This single button can replace dozens of manual clicks and ensure that important organizational tasks happen consistently across your team. Thanks for watching and happy automating.